Let every Tai Chi step awaken your body, restore your energy, and guide you toward a lighter, healthier, and more active life. Exercise 1. Open your arms as you lift one knee. Return hands crossed, then switch sides to strengthen balance, hips, and core control. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 2. Gently bend your knees while swinging your arms forward and back with the rhythm, helping loosen the shoulders, activate the legs, and improve coordination. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 3. Keep both knees straight as you fold forward and extend your arms ahead. Then rise slowly to stretch the hamstrings and lengthen the spine. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 4. Shift through a wide stance. Draw your hands to the chest, then press forward to build leg strength, open the chest, and steady your stance. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 5. Raise both arms overhead as one heel curls toward the glutes. Then switch sides to strengthen hamstrings, open the chest, and improve mobility. 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 6. Lower into a wide squat while keeping your hands centered. Then rise smoothly to strengthen the thighs, glutes, and support hip mobility. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 7. Clap your hands in front, step 1 foot back into a lunge, then open both arms wide to stretch the chest and shoulders. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 8. Bring your fists together in front of your face, then open the elbows as one leg taps sideways to engage the upper back and hips. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 9. Lift both arms overhead, sink into a side lunge, and arc one arm while reaching the other down to lengthen the waist and inner thighs. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 10. Step into a forward lunge with arms extended. Then straighten and open the chest into a gentle back bend to mobilize the spine and hip flexors. 3, 2, 1. Next. Exercise 11. Hold a low horse stance with your hands centered, then turn to the side into a lunge and open both arms wide to build leg strength and trunk mobility. Three, 2, 1. Next. Exercise 12. Lift one knee as your arms float into a rounded shape. Then lower and switch sides to improve balance, coordination, and gentle hip mobility. You did an amazing job today. Thank you for moving with me, and keep practicing consistently to become stronger, lighter, and more energized each day.